Crazy, man. Absolutely ridiculously awesome. I don't know you, but I was looking at the charts and we have all the analysis since yesterday. And man, could you believe it? I'm looking at all the levels right now. And let's go ahead and have an amazing time together. Question: can Bitcoin send it tonight? Passing the 30,000, very important break resistance that we have, because it already shattered many levels in less than 1 day. It is very awesome and really unbelievable, guys. Awesome. I mean, the dominance of Bitcoin passes 50. The dominance of Bitcoin passes 40. Wow. What's going on, everybody? Welcome. Let's go ahead and have a chill time together with the fam. All my cronos, shiba inu, Bitcoin, and whoever's here, what's popping? I am looking at the 15-minute chart. What you're seeing right there on the screen, it's what we were talking yesterday. And that consolidation that lasted days, man, finally broke. The consolidation that took forever to really leave us. It's out. So, guys, I want to tell you facts. I want to tell you numbers. I want to tell you everything that I'm listening. I posted quite plenty of videos today. Keep you updated with the latest that I'm seeing. And I'll tell you something. We still don't have the same amount of people here. We still don't have the same amount of people on crypto. They're not back yet. So in a way, I believe this is important because it's going to bring the levels that we used to have, that we don't have. But it would bring it in due time. My name is Oscar Ramos. Guys, welcome aboard. Happy to have you in the house once again. Couldn't be more excited. The reasons are so many. So why don't we go ahead and do a deep down on each one of them. And I'm just going to see this chart because here's what's happening. And it makes me so... it's just funny at the end of the day. Why in the world Bitcoin is rallying, but any of the altcoins but Ethereum is? Figure that one for me, because let's start throwing some ideas here, because after all the devastation of crypto, whales are seeing Bitcoin as the ultimate store of value that is not going to collapse, that is not going to be seized, that is not going to be regulated heavily, that is not going to be labeled as that it has withstood the time, and it has put the best value propositions for the world. That's one of the reasons, right, that I'm looking at right now. So it makes total sense. Most of the cryptos right now flat like an arrow, what I'm seeing, and I would love to see those levels balloon. We had 1, 2, and I will see a small little one pumped the day of today, the April 10th. So guys, welcome. Get comfy. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. There's of course a lot going on. It is not a small thing to be in this level, right? It is not a small thing, and I'll tell you why. What's going on, KJ? Emily? Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Stacy, Eric, Chris, Joe, and John. Welcome. Coins are pumping. Every coin but the ones I own, rest in peace. Because we're not in an altcoin season, my friend. That is why. We're not in an altcoin season, and it's okay. It's okay. Only the brave. I'm borrowing from crypto.com's brand. Only the brave are here. That's just what it is. There's no other way to say it, right? Let's go ahead and find out for as long as I can if we break the $30,000. Now, to start with, why is this important? The last time we were at this level, guys, June 2022. June 2022, literally. It's going to be almost a year, which means the following. I'm going to go ahead, and Cronos is absolutely doing nothing. So it's all right, Cronos. I get what you're doing right here. So I have the 15 minutes. I'm going to leave it like this. I have Ethereum, which look at Ethereum. It's It's pushing. It's pushing. And it all makes sense, how individuals and organizations and whales are just wanting to get what's safe. That's the key. Are you saying that the tokens that we've been talking for a long time, altcoins, are not safe? No, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, if you own billions of dollars, where would you like to put your money so you have higher than 90% of confidence that it's going to remain strong? Bitcoin, Ethereum to some people. So I totally get why this is going on, fam. But if we go to the weekly, you're going to see really what I love. Oh, yes. This is exactly what we look at this. We are, you see that right here? We're touching the bottoms of the 2021 bull cycle. The bottoms, guys. Wow. Yeah, I love to see, how things are going, because, fam, we're starting the next bull market. We're starting the next bull market. Whether you believe it or not, it is actually hinting what I will consider the next cycle, because from all my experience and everything that I've looked in crypto, it's going to be very hard to believe that Bitcoin is going to magically lose liquidity in the billions to go from 30,000 all the way to 15,000 once again. I don't think so. Because if it does, this will be one of the greatest bull traps ever. And it means that whales are selling their Bitcoin, which I don't think they would, because why they will be selling their Bitcoin? You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that it is bull market right now. Obviously not. We're still in the bear market, but it is the ending of that. Amazing. Amazing. Dogecoin, flat like an arrow for the last couple of hours. Crazy stuff, fam. What's going on, Chris? Love to have you in the... Could this be a bull trap? Well, I think it answered your comment right now. Now, here are some of the ideas as far as why this is happening. As you're coming in, guys, don't forget to smash that beautiful like button and consider subscribing. I'll see you here. Me and The Rock will always give you the approval. What a day, what a day. A lot of work today, by the way. But I saw the prices, and because we've been so down for so long, it kind of gets to you that we're finally getting out, and it all kind of like it all puts itself in a silver platter for you to enjoy. But here's what's going on. You see, because there's so many bad news right now, honestly, there's so many bad news for everything, not only finance. There's not gonna be the same amount of people watching content, especially on YouTube. So that's why there's less people informed. Watch Your Guru said that 4.5% of the population is involved in crypto. Are you kidding me? Then this is really not going to get the attention up until the mass media starts talking about it. And it's true. It is so true. Right now, what are the mass media talking, especially in the United States? Well, in Europe, the crisis, the riot, France, China, Taiwan, China. Right now in the United States, inflation, the shooting that happened earlier today. There's a bunch of things to get distracted on, guys. You and I, who are right now watching this, coming with me, supporting, I appreciate that a lot, fam. We are the ones that are extremely early. I'm telling you guys, it could not be, I cannot emphasize that more. Then I think one of the greatest strategies is identifying the opportunity we have and taking action. That's why I've been buying like crazy Cronos, right? That's why I've been, I try to bring you the insiders, the behind the scenes earlier today. We're going to be talking about everything right now as we're looking at Bitcoin, because I want $200 more. And we go, I know it's not $100,000, But the reason why I'm claiming this starts $100,000 is because we really have no idea how many short sellers, shorts, and anti-crypto people desire to keep Bitcoin at 15 or less. Desire. But what is this? No matter how much they're bearish on Bitcoin, no matter how much they trash Bitcoin, they understand that they really don't have another alternative to combat this. And it is why it is the choice for us. Oh, it makes total sense, guys. For the last 15 minutes, we've been holding the price, and there it goes. I'm going to have the weekly for analysis in the macro. I'm going to have the 15-minute for the view chart right here. And I'm going to go ahead and do the 5 minutes because I want even much closer look. I'm going to do 5 minutes right here. Oh, yes. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. There you go. So randomly, the pumps come at really weird times right here. They come at really, really weird times. The big one today came at 11, starting at 9, then 11, and then what is that? 5 p.m. There you go, baby. Let's go. I want to see the chats on fire emojis right now. Let me go ahead and help you out, fam. Boom. Emily's in the house. Let's go. Love it, everybody. That's really, really cool. How's everybody doing this evening here in the United States? Love to see you guys here. Let's go ahead and start with a poll because that's what I personally love it. Bitcoin passes 30K tonight. How many bulls are here? And of course, I don't know. There it is. Seeing this will be very it will be a lot of satisfaction. I love that. There you go. Those are the fire emojis I'm talking about, everybody. Cheers to this. You know how long we've been in these levels? Cannot believe it, man. Let's go to the 5 minutes. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Send it, baby. I mean, just that boom and boom, break it. We have, let's see. No way, just 0.41%. Just 0.61% for 30,000. Are you kidding me? That's nothing. It's absolutely nothing. It's like whales and everybody who's buying. I mean, they're day trading this so much you wouldn't even believe, guys. It is the beginning. It is the very beginning of the next bull cycle, right? That is gonna take a while, but bam, I'm bullish. I'm bullish. From California, Chris, let's go. Let's go. Happy to have you here in the house. Welcome aboard. Oh, man. It all pays off. It all really pays off. Don't forget to vote. Let me know, guys, how we are looking, how we're feeling here today. There's a bunch of news out there for sure. We have CPI data. That's one of the main reasons as I'm predicting why we are seeing the prices that we're seeing. We have the FOMC minutes also coming too. So we got more things coming up. We also have the jobs report coming out, I believe today or earlier today or so. It was more jobs added, which is good. That adds more value, more bullish momentum. Overall, you know, this is a time when another bank crisis, you had another bank failure, and it's gonna be very good for Bitcoin, guys. Because the other thing, the only thing that the Fed knows how to do is to print more money, and that adds inflation, and that puts money in people's pocket, and people are investing, right, and spending money on getting more money, which is crazy to see, but it is what it is. Boom, boom, boom. We have the weekly. This is what's really going on here, guys. Look at this. In the weekly, we're finally becoming close to overbought. That's insane. That's practically insane. And we've been down so long. That's why literally, throughout the time that we added that $30,000 Bitcoin, that we started the decline, now it's coming full cycle, 180, right? Finally going back. It's amazing, amazing news. Thank you, Rhodes. Because if we don't have this energy, of course, I mean, I don't hide anything from the truth. Obviously, there's some things that we are seeing the bearish momentum with crypto and Bitcoin. There's a lot of people, there's the anti-crypto army, but who cares about it? I don't care about it. I don't care about Elizabeth Warren trying to jeopardize the crypto movement. I don't care about that. I care about what Charles Hoskinson said in a 2013 TED Talk in Bermudas. And he had another interview 5 years ago explaining Bitcoin and Cardano. I mean, I listened to that guy and I'm like, wow, I wish I had 1/10 of his money to buy as much Cardano and Bitcoin as I can. That's the way I feel. Because it's like easily going down, going back to early 2000s, buying your first Amazon stock. That's what it means, guys. And we have a great opportunity, not financial advice as always, to get into a position like this. But remember, anyone saw Cece's tweet earlier today? We're all here for the tech, right? It was so funny because it's true. I'm here for the money and for the tech, absolutely. But you have to understand, if the tech gets adopted, passed, regulated, and applied, the money will be the last thing you'll be worrying about, because it's going to explode so fast. Everybody will want to do crypto because they know that's the next big thing. For us, for you and me, we are going to get the paid off. We are going to get finally our dividends, because with the 4 to 5% crypto population doing crypto right now, add to that at least 30%, free 30%, once a big first world country adopts it, you're talking billions of people. That's why that's why, guys, the really great news that we're seeing thus far with projects like Shiba Inu or Cronos or XRP or Cardano, they are good news for us, the crypto community. But it's not yet welcomed mainstream. See what I'm saying? If it's not yet welcome mainstream, it's not going to be as powerful in the price. So what we're doing right now as an instrument to get a higher price in a time when there's a lot of FUD is by burning, having massive community engagement and pumping and doing all of these tactics, right? But they work. They're cool, some of them, right? When you have a great project. But the idea is, when we wait for that mass adoption, that is what's going to really pay off for me and for you. And I understand that 100%. It makes absolute total sense. If it does to you guys, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. If you like for more content, if you want my videos to be recommended to you, you know what to do, guys. I appreciate everybody who's here on board. I'm trying to keep you updated. I keep myself updated every single day, right? Make sure that, because the crypto space is, wow, super volatile and ever changing. But we like it, everybody. And this is my last. Ooh, look at that green. Look at that green. Come on, baby. Oh, okay. All right. All right. Very good. Very good. It's exactly what we like to see. My man. Anyone here excited as much as I am? Well, tell me right now. What's up, Emily? Happy to have you here in the house. Woo, woo, woo. Exactly what we love. When will altcoins pump, KJ? Altcoins will pump. Here's the deal when it comes to altcoins. That's a great question. First Bitcoin, then Ethereum, and then the money flows to big blue chips, altcoins, and then finally meme coins and community tokens. That's what happens. That's the way it rolls out. So, yep, that's the way it rolls out. So for your crazy meme coins, altcoins out there in the $2,000, $1,000, market cap range, you're talking 2024, early 2025. The blue chip, like right now, we're seeing Bitcoin. Ethereum should be late 2023, sometime in 2023. Like it's doing very well. And then we have some altcoins, right, that are doing some nice fancy stuff here and there. But eventually the altcoin season is gonna completely change our perspective to crypto, because I believe there's a bunch more innovation, much more utility and community than it was back then. It's just that the community saw the biggest L ever after so many different disasters and, how do you call it? L's, Terra Luna, FTX, and all of that. People left crypto. People say, you know what? I don't want to do crypto anymore. And I get it. The ones who remain are the ones that are understanding how best position ourselves. Sweet, Chris. Last year and a half has been difficult. But we made it here with Cronos. Yeah, bro. I mean, difficult, to be honest with you, is an understatement. 100%. Difficult, to say the least. Nah, bro. It's been almost impossible, bro. Almost impossible. Because most of the positions that I once believed were awesome when it comes to price, they got rugged price-wise. Not the project, price-wise. Super down. But we're still here, fam. I mean, Bitcoin did this, right? In the weekly, Bitcoin did this. Went all the way up here. And now we're here. And this is exactly what happened. So let me show you guys exactly what's going on, right? So this is, we're looking at the 15 minutes. For so long, like I couldn't stress this enough. Look at how long we waited. Gotta close this. All March and April, a little bit April. Finally, like, this is obviously, guys, manipulated. It's fabricated. We loved it, but it's obviously, I mean, I think everybody can understand that this has to, at some point, stop a little bit. But because there's some specific levels that we're looking, if it breaks them, then it's much more difficult to go lower. And that's what everybody's super curious about. Very excited. There you go, Emily. Excited what we'd like to see. Learned a lot to the bear market. I'm still here and I'm not leaving. Martin says, hey, that's exactly what we love to hear, right? Question in the poll, fam. Question in the poll. Bitcoin passes 30,000 tonight. That is just less than 1%. Less than 1%, guys. We are at 29,850. This is where we're supposed to get, to the 30,000. A lot of people will be super excited if that happens. And there it goes. There it goes. Come on. Come on, buddy. We need 29,900. That's what we're live today. That's what we're live today. Because we're ready for this. Come on. Obviously, we're ready for this. If you're here, everybody, you know what to do. All the questions open in the chat. We're just chilling and talking crypto. How much AMP you got? 100 and something thousand AMP tokens. Over 100K. We're all under pressure. Pressure makes diamonds. Diamond hands. Oh, we got probably now titanium hands, bro. At this point, I think you already have titanium hands or something like that. That is one thing I will tell you for sure. Tectonic Crow, Tectonic, what's going on, buddy? We talked about it earlier today. Yep, giving you the updates for sure. Ooh. Wow. Beautiful. Close this one right here. It all looks it's gonna happen tonight. It all looks it's gonna happen tonight. Like, I do not see any more doubt. It all looks like it's going to happen tonight. Let's see what happened here. There's news. Bitcoin price breaks about 30K for first time since June. Really? I haven't seen it. That's not true. Crypto exchange Coinbase supports layer 2. They say it broke already to 30K. In what exchange? I haven't seen it, man. They probably typed this because we're super close, but I don't think so. I don't think so. We are coming our way to 30K, but I don't think we have broken. Or have we? Tell me in the comments right now if we have, because here on TradingView, the highest it's been that I'm seeing is 29,919. And the high, I have it here at 29. I mean, it hasn't broken the 30K. But anyway, you know people, always they like to get the headlines. That happens all the time. The Bitcoin hit 30? Not yet. We're just talking about that, my friend. Welcome aboard. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody, and consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome to the new subscribers. We're chilling and getting ready for what's going to be the start of Bitcoin at $100,000. Why is that? Well, because it all starts with breaking these important resistances. To understand, we have to go through the weekly, which looks like this. Look at this beauty. Guys, up these levels right here, too late. If you really want to change your financial freedom, too late. Absolutely too late. This, where everybody's leaving, despair, sorrow, fear, terrible. That's when real people, real ballers come in. That's why we've been buying the altcoins, right? Because these ones are the ones that are, much better set for a nice 10x or so. Bitcoin right now, if it 2x's, it's gonna be everywhere. Mainstream media, business media, everywhere. And of course, FOMO is gonna come in. But yeah, you wanna buy the blood on the streets, baby. Don't forget to vote on that poll, because I wanna see how people are feeling. And I'm posting in the chat my diamond hands. All my members, give me all those diamond hands, please. Let's go ahead and get it real, baby. Boom. Altcoin Heat is coming with the biggest predictions ever at saying 69,420 tonight. I don't think that's going to happen, but bro, wouldn't that be awesome? Oh, man. Broke 30,000 on Crow. I see. It passed 30,000K. Let's go. I thought it did. It touched 30K on Coinbase. I'm going to open Cronos. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, super close. I mean, I'm seeing it here. And I don't see the 30,000. Let me see. I have Cronos right here. Bitcoin. What is this? Wait. What in the world? Why is he 30,000 on crypto.com? What? Oh, there it is. Okay, there's a lot of slippage. There's a lot of, wow, 29,977. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Well, wait a second. Okay, first and foremost, look at the price right now of Bitcoin. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that insane? Yeah, I have Coinbase. Yeah, I have right here Bitcoin at $30,000, over $30,000. Let's go, baby. Wow. Unbelievable. Let me open Coinbase right now. Let's go for more. Let's go for more. Let's get everybody in the chat right now. Let's see. My assets. Let's see Bitcoin price. Oh, there it is. Coinbase right here. It says 30,000. Bitcoin 29, 30,000. Right here on this one that, I mean, it's that the one that a lot of people use. It hasn't broken, but it surprises me that on crypto.com, it already says 30,000. Amazing. Look at this. This is the rise we were all expecting. Look at the, ooh, look at that, fam. Greed. That's a greener greed. That's a greener greed, guys. Love it. Yep, officially 30,000. Knocking on 30,000. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm not the only one that is taking a look at this one. And I still don't see it, but crypto.com, that's interesting. You're already telling me that it's $30,400. What? Oh boy. Oh boy. That's insane. But when I see, let me see. It says $30,355 on crypto.com, but when I go to the latest, it's $29,955. Regardless, we are basically on that close to $30,000 mark average wise. And let me tell you, I'm gonna go ahead and show you here markets. This is what's going on. Take a look at this. Where's crypto.com? Where's crypto.com? Where's crypto.com? Where's crypto.com? Can you believe it? Binance, are you kidding me? Binance, are you really? Where's crypto.com? No way. So Binance. Can't believe it. Well, anyway, the point is, I wanted to show the different prices from different exchanges, right? So from what I see, Binance, look, this one. So there's a lot. Oh, there it is. Boom. Confirm. Oh, the pump, everybody. Send the emojis right now. Wow. Oh, man. It's happening. Wow. Amazing. Capturing live for you, everybody. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Subscribe to the channel right now. Let's get everybody in the house. That's it. Well done. Let me get all the fires and flames right here. Wow, that was beautiful to see. I'm so happy I went back to the. I'm so happy I went back to the chat here to the prices, dude. That is amazing. It did it. It did it. Well done, everyone. Wow. Make sure you vote in the, passes tonight and poll. That's it. It did. It did. That's it. Wow. Well done. What does this mean, guys? It means that we all knew this was happening. We've been talking about it for a while. It means that now that it has touched down $30,000, it is a level that it has extremely hard to break. Now for next, it has to consolidate. It has to retain that level. It has to continue breaking more. And the down, the down pressure, because here it comes. It may come. It may come even more, right? But let's just continue seeing this, man. That's awesome. Welcome, everybody. Look at those fire emojis. We got it, man. A nice pump. Ethereum looking sexy too. Oopsie. Look at this. Oh, yes. And altcoins are doing nothing. Altcoins are doing absolutely nothing. Guys, this was an awesome pump, man. No way. Let me see what is on crypto.com right now. It still says the same. Oh, no. Now it says 30,657 on crypto.com. Dude, check this out. Like, it is unbelievable. 30,657 and Ethereum about to be $2,000. Nice. 2K Ethereum next. Let's go. Yeah, I do not see Ethereum at around 2,000 yet on crypto.com, but I see it on, wow. I'm going to go back to Coinbase here. Yeah, there it is. Ooh. There it is. Yeah, we knew it was going to happen. We knew it was going to happen. Breaking. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Just in. Since June 2022, guys. Since June 2022. Wow. Boom. Go back here. Amazing, everybody. What it means is that finally, the days ahead at the CPI data, if we have bullish news, now we don't have to think about back to $10,000, back to $15,000. It may go lower to 27, 28, but this really opens the gates to much higher prices. It is the beginning of $100,000, as this is clearly, let's go back to this one. That's it. No lying to you. How would I? There it is. There it is. And I'm going to go ahead and open the logarithmic. There you go. There it is. This is what you need to see. Look at this. This is what's happening right now with the price of Bitcoin, right? History is repeating. We're coming back. We are coming back to where we were. I'm going to remove the Bollinger Band just a little bit. This is what's going on right now. And I'm going to add even the Heikki Nashi so you see better. You see that? So we are finally the bottom, and this is putting us much higher levels. This is gonna be pretty insane. There's gonna be some sell-offs for sure, but I think you guys know already that was meant to happen. But it's accumulation time. Accumulation time for a lot of people. Look at that. It wants to continue running. $30,000. Amazing. Let's go, man. Emily, glad to be here for this exciting moment, right? I know. It paid off. It paid off completely. The work paid off completely today. Will Ethereum break 2,000 tonight? It's very possible. It's very possible. That will be just, what is it? 3%. A little more difficult, but it's totally possible. Nothing impossible right now for that Ethereum. 30,815 showing on my crypto.com. I know crypto.com is showing prices that are unreal. Crypto.com is showing unreal prices, but we like it. We do like it. Wow. Exactly what it, yeah, just broke 30K. Just broke 30K. Yeah, this is exactly what we're wanting to see, guys, right here. This is a Heikki Nashi weekly logarithmic view. To make more sense of this, now we are ending the Bollinger Band bearish streak now to a bullish one. And this is exactly what I could tell you, right? It could go and on once the bull market is really here with us. I don't think the bull market is this time, but just to give you a little taste. How many people are now going to start talking about Bitcoin just because of what happened today? Tomorrow is going to be a good one, guys. Tomorrow is going to be a good one. And I'm so happy we got it live. If you are enjoying this, just smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing. I see on my crypto.com wallet. Here it is. Let's put it over here. It never focuses when I want it, but it says almost $2,600. Nice. The dollar is going, I'm going to pin that so fast. The dollar is going down, but Bitcoin is going up. Absolutely. Dude, I'm so happy we were able to capture it live. That's pretty much it. Yeah, that is exactly what we would like to see so far since forever. Since forever. And I'm going to show you here. Let's go back to the normal candles. This is the price, right? So calculator here. Exactly 308 days apart. 308 days apart. Guys, all of this it's been a lot of pain, bro. It's been a lot of pain. It's been a lot of pain. It's been a lot of deception, a lot of struggle, a lot of tears for a lot of people, money lost, rug pulls. It's been a lot of that, man. Like, I'm not kidding, but you know, there have good days and bad days. We have the worst days, but the good days like this come finally. And all the Bitcoin that I bought Bitcoin at $15,000. I made a video about it, and I've said it might go lower. Couldn't care more. I don't want to listen to those fudsters. I'm coming in. So you see the lowest price of Bitcoin? Yours truly got in. I did. And that money just did something fantastic. Welcome aboard, everybody. Johnny! Oh, man, what a nice one. We really, really needed something like this. I'm so happy to be sharing it with you, fam. The crypto report, the Black Swan events have been relentless. I absolutely agree, bro. Let's go. Yes, bro, Johnny, thank you very much for your kind support, brother. I appreciate that a lot, as always. What's happening? Just jumping in. Wow, Richard, welcome, bro. We're just, here for a nice time. And I've been telling you about this for weeks now, covering everything. The sell-off when FOMC data released, everybody was like 30,000 is happening, didn't happen. We waited a while. It did a comeback and now finally broke. It really, demonstrates how people now they want to get out of the dollar. Really, they want to get out of the dollar. They're like, nah, bro. The dollar is really not going to work. It's time for us to try something new. And that's why Bitcoin is rallying. Just today, man, it's really amazing. Just today, it went from 28,200 all the way to 6%. It just did 6%. Bitcoin just did 6%, and we're all enjoying this. Guys, Bitcoin is able to do 30 and 40% in one day or in 1 week. I'm not kidding. It's true. I'll just show you. So, yep. And that's going to prices that we've seen before. Right? Amazing, guys. Exactly what we need. Oscar has been here every single day through the bear market. Crypto Kib, Crypto C, Black Sea. I don't know who is. Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, you're right. I've been here through the struggle, and you guys too have been doing amazing reporting as well. So I think it just comes to the fact that people don't know really who are the real, you know, there's gonna be a lot of new streamers and YouTubers coming once we're back to the bull market. I can guarantee you that. But I'm coming from the 2021 cycle. This is the 2023 cycle now. So I've learned my lesson. I've learned a lot of different things. And once we really start pumping nice, dude, we're going to be much better than before. And we're going to be awesome, making crypto great again. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. We also need a better administration. Who agrees with that? I agree. If I'm the only one who's saying it, I can say it. I believe. I'm going to actually make a poll. Does the US need a different White House? Yes, no. I say yes, man, because we need a pro Bitcoin, pro crypto, man. How in the world we're gonna be letting other countries take our jobs, dude? Like, that is the most preposterous thing I've heard. India, China, Russia, Singapore, they're taking the talent. Man. Like, are you kidding me? But this guy is more. No, yeah. It's all intertwined. It's all interconnected. Even though this is the best thing, and this is why. Listen to what I'm about to say, because it's gonna blow your mind. This is why they want to make a CBDC, because they are scared of crypto and Bitcoin, because they used to control us and we couldn't do anything about it, right? Now that something is working, they're like, no, full stop. And this administration doesn't respect that, right? I don't think so. If they call Cardano phony, what could we expect, right? I mean, really not fair. And Bitcoin doesn't care. Bitcoin doesn't care about what the administration right now thinks in whichever country you live in. Doesn't care. That's what makes us a lot bullish, guys. And look, I've just mentioned something with 41 votes thus far. I think 90% of the people, and go ahead and keep voting, everybody. I'd love to hear more of your responses, of course, but I think people get it, right? For crypto purposes, I think crypto needs a better administration for sure. It does need it. Let's go, baby. Send it. Are we done here? I don't think so, man. Bitcoin wants to keep running. Crypto report. It's crazy how political crypto has gotten in the past year. We have gone from not political talk to 100 political issue. Let's go ahead and pin that one. Thank you very much, buddy. Appreciate it. Yeah, bro. Black Sea here. Oh, thank you, Black Sea. Appreciate it, buddy. I mean, I understand that, man. Like, they want to make it political, then we're going to find some political candidates who understand crypto, because in this upcoming election in 2024, I can almost guarantee you there's going to be somebody speaking about Bitcoin. It has to happen, right? Because now with inflation and the printing machine and Fed, somebody's going to open their mouth and openly talk about it. And they're going to get a lot of votes because of that. Hey guys, love listening to all of you. Love the entertainment. Love to hear the views. Appreciate it, Chris. Thank you very much. Yeah, I mean, I think you guys are coming out with the mindset that I also share. And if you have a different opinion, that's totally fine. You're always welcome. But I believe we'll have the same opinion on this. Bitcoin is pumping, man. Let's go. That is amazing. Look at that. It's letting loose. Ooh, Ooh! Oh, baby! Oh, I missed the pumps. 30,200 people are FOMOing right now. Where are all my fire emojis in the chat? Let's go, everybody. Share and like so more people can come in and enjoy. Wow. Look at this. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah. Thus far, Bitcoin Jet. Oof. It keeps running. What is this? It keeps running. Love it. Love it. Love it. Yeah, this is exactly what we needed. Tomorrow is going to be a better day for crypto. Tomorrow is going to be a better day. More people coming. Pump away. Finally. Brandion. Finally, man. Send it. We need this because it's first Bitcoin season. It's first Bitcoin season. You have to understand that. Bitcoin season is leading the way. And then it comes the next. Love it. Chinese buying time. Dude. Bitcoin trending. Bitcoin, of course, is trending. Breaking $30,000. Of course. Anthony Scaramucci, finally. Nobody liked it. Pump it. New 2023 high. Well, yes. Because we haven't seen a high in a while. Look at this. Oh, yeah. And also we have the Bitcoin conference in Miami coming up soon. So that's really, really good. Exactly. Do I get an agree on this? Do I get an agree on this? Exactly. That's exactly what we're talking about here, my fam. They think they can scare us. They think they can shut us down. They think no, yeah, it's fine. You know, Bitcoiners are crazy. No. We know what we're talking about, guys. Banks are leaving. Banks are failing. Banks are collapsing. Well, Bitcoin is not. I hope others will go up to the protocols. Market cap growing, of course. Oscar agree. By the way, name is Brandon. There you go, Brandon. Appreciate that clarification, buddy. 30,841 on my crypto.com. We don't need Bitcoin to stop pumping. Let it pump. Wow. Let me see. Right now, let's refresh this. There it is. 30,000 average. There it is. 30,000, 30,000, 30,000. Finally, brother. Brothers and sisters. That grid tomorrow is going to open super sexy. This is exactly what we needed, guys. Exactly what we needed. It's happening. And I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Let me see, besides Bitcoin in the last 1 hour. It's Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. It's Bitcoin, and we have render and conflux. Amazing. Let's go ahead and bring the bubbles in the day. Bitcoin is taking everyone's expectation and talk, but this guy is pumping even higher than Bitcoin. Classic altcoins, right? But yeah, it's great to see this, guys. Just look at the market in just the day. Look at the week, the month, and the year. We're getting a little bit better, everybody. This is exactly what happens, and I love it, man. Starts with Bitcoin, and then it goes and on and on and on. Little as well. Amazing. Well, fam, awesome. I'll keep you here looking at the charts for me. Gotta go to the WC, the restroom. I'll be right back. Wow. Nice. Let's do the questions, everybody. Team Rockpool. Don't forget to flush, of course. What do you guys think? 2023 year of accumulation or early bull market? Crypto, Black Sea, the accumulation phase, it's still ongoing for altcoins. For Bitcoin, finally, the Bitcoin season has arrived. This is not to be taken lightly. What we're seeing right now, it's finally what we wanted to see. I can almost tell you with 99% certainty that it is very unlikely that we're going to see less than 12,000 Bitcoin or so. It is very unlikely now with what we just did. Because if you tell me that we couldn't break 30,000 and then we go once again to the 19,000 or so, then we have a problem. But it all makes sense now. This was much needed. This was what we needed to do. The next level of resistance, that's a great question, right? So let's go ahead and find out. I need to go to the 4 hours. Just look at this, guys. Look at this. Absolutely oversold. Absolutely oversold. So this, for any altcoin, means it's going to dump like tonight. But for Bitcoin, it's different. For Bitcoin, it's a little bit, of course, it's going to dump a little bit, but it's a little different. It's not the same as an altcoin, right? Bitcoin has reached finally the level that we were talking about for a long time. The major difficult consolidation. This level, guys, is where Bitcoin has to stop. If it's going to stay there for a while. If it could stay for a while, that would be amazing, right? Because here's where all the consolidation that we had last year, literally last year, May 2022, we stayed here for so long before crashing to the abyssum, right? So for us, the next level will be, I have to go there 1 day. That's better. I'm going to clear everything. The next level will be roughly $33,000. $33,000. But right here, this level, now that it's all zoom out, right here, we have to stay for a while. I would love for us to stay for a while, because if it keeps going, then, oh man, we're going to get in a lot of good trouble. This is good trouble, because it means that FOMO is going to start kicking in and people will like, oh, I couldn't buy where I wanted to because everybody told me was going to go to 9,000. Garbage. Good. I seen it going to 45 and back to 19. Elliott wave pattern. Tony Lee, appreciate that comment, bro. Richard, happy to have you here in the house, brother. That's amazing. Just insane, guys. I think after all, this is exactly what we like to see thus far in the price of Bitcoin. Exactly what we like to see. For everybody here watching, guys, I wanted it to happen, and it occurred. Couldn't be more excited and blessed. Very, very blessed. So, in summary, right here, this level. See this. We're coming from today. We're coming from this level right here to this new level. It happened in 1 day. In 1 day. That to that. Our mission is to consolidate here. If we can do that, pre-CPI and post-CPI, that's it. That's it, guys. That's it. We have won. We have won. We need to consolidate right there. But it is the start of something great and new. Such an exciting time. Appreciate that a lot. Oscar, you're spot on, brother. Thanks for the support and keeping the file optimistic. Anytime, Brandon. Look at that. He wants to keep running. Exactly what we wanted to see, guys. blast off, right? It's time for us to blast off. Great opportunity to use crypto.com up and down features. Actually, that's true. Well said. Bitcoin is going to take a serious dump in a couple of weeks. It's all yet to be seen, fam. Look at that beauty. Wants to keep running. Wow. Insane. Anything that happens right now, $32,000 is the next resistance, right? But I think people are getting very much excited. This is the thing about crypto, guys. You give it one, it will take 5, and it will give you 10 back. So just be ready for that, okay? Family, before you leave, don't forget to smash the like button. It's the 1 hour time for me. I couldn't be more blessed and excited to be here with you guys experiencing this live, honestly. And I'm going to close the poll right now with 100 votes on the dot. And most of us agree that we need a different White House, alias different administration. Just imagine how high we're going to go once everything is spot on in place. This is just the very beginning, guys. Do not relinquish. Do not throw the towel. Only 4.5% people in the population and world are involved in crypto. You don't wanna be behind. And 100 plus people watching here are gonna join me into finally becoming financially free with the next revolution of financial freedom and economic identity, decentralized money, alias cryptocurrency. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the live. Very proud of this one, honestly. Mickey and I said thank you. God bless you all. Be safe. Peace. Let's go, everybody. Super excited and happy for what we saw today. Let's go. Thank you, Joss. Have a good one.